I've made a few varieties of rice paper rolls on this show, but I've never made you a breakfast style rice paper roll. These are a ripper of a dish and I love to have them for breakfast. So I have some leftover tapioca pearls here. These are really easy to make. All you need to do is boil any type of milk. You can even use some nut milk, and you need to add some sugar to it and then add the tapioca pearls and bring them to the boil until they're cooked. They take about 10 minutes to cook. I've then just chilled them completely, and you see as it cools down it firms up and becomes almost jelly-like. Now I love to add coconut yogurt to this, so a very generous spoonful of that. In it goes, and just fold that through. Now if you wanted to make this into a dessert, you could change that coconut yogurt and just add some whipped cream. I've done that a few times too. It's a real treat. Excellent. I'll also add some mint, banana, and the main attraction here would have to be mixed fresh berries. I've got a combination of raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. To prepare the banana, we're just going to cut them into rounds, so I'd say about 1 centimetre rounds. You don't want it to be too chunky because we do need to fold up our rice paper rolls. And on an angle if you like. And the strawberries, we'll take the tops off the strawberries and cut them also into rounds. Now, whenever I eat strawberries, I bring them out of the fridge at least an hour before serving them. They always taste so much better. You really get the perfume of the strawberry if they come to room temperature as opposed to being really cold. So we'll start with 2 or 3. And the same goes for blackberries and raspberries. Bring them out of the fridge before serving them. These blackberries are huge, so I'm just going to cut them in half lengthways. Look at that gorgeous colour in the centre of that. And just add a few more of these. And good old raspberries will just break up. This is also a really fun interactive breakfast, so get all your toppings ready to go, pop it in the middle of the table, and then the whole family can make their own variety of their rice paper rolls. Now for our rice paper wraps, we need to rehydrate them in some water, so just completely submerge it. Don't leave it in there for too long, take it out, shake off the excess, and then pop it onto a bench. And I really want to show off the berries, so we start with the berries as the first layer. Some of our blackberries and raspberries. A little mint. And banana. Now I'll top this with our tapioca pearls. Make sure you don't overfill it or it's really hard to wrap. Then we'll take the base of this and just tuck everything in, bring in the sides, and then roll up so it's nice and tight. There you go. And I love how you can see the little strawberries popping out and the tapioca pearls. That is like a little bundle of joy. I think I should make a few more of these. Tapioca pearls, fresh berries, all wrapped up in rice paper rolls. This is such a unique brekkie, but boy, is it a delicious brekkie.